Let's see what we have here. Sheesh, we ain't doing 9 to 5 in real life, now here too. Gotta find books. Where those books at? These footsteps are wilding in my ears. Ah, there we go. That goes in there. All right. Nothing happened. Oh, look, a note. Fill in the blanks, bruh. Science. A horror. History too. Let's go, another book in the history section. What is that sound, huh? What is that shit? A radio? All right, the sound stopped. Just need one more book. Then my shift can finally be over, I guess. There it is, my baby. Come here. Mikasa Sukasa. Shit, who's that? A new job? Find the picture and place it in the box, huh? Let's see. Where this so-called picture at? Another room, damn. This place expensive, sheesh. Oh, there's the picture and a little note on the wall. Let's read the note first. Oh, it's a note from our employer. This picture is familiar. Looks like my plug from high school. All right, let's put this pic in the box. Damn, someone spray painted an arrow while I was in the other room. I ain't got no time for this shit. Let's follow it for now and see. Oh look, it's the guy from the picture. Gotta look out, don't know when our employer might be back. Looks like he's trying to invite me for some fine-ass weed. Let's go, we gonna get high in this bitch. What's up, my man? Where you go, my guy? Nah, is this how we play now? My best man, even if I knew you only for a few seconds, you were like the best weed seller I had. Don't leave me. Bro, there is no cops here. Don't take all of that bush for yourselves now. Fuck, he ran away. Also, this stupid radio is on again, bruv. Day 2, another day at the finest library there exists. Another task? Damn. How come there are so many cobwebs now? Is my employer a spider? Or is this Spider-Man's hideout? Speaking of that, then that guy from before was Spider-Man, huh? So Spider-Man was the one who sold me weed all these days? Ain't no way. So dusty, damn. Anyways, let's complete this task for now. Need that dough, need that bread, 'cause we hustlin'. Where are the rest? Oh, there's one at the corner. This place got way too many cobwebs, like, bro. Nah, what was that sound? Spider-Man. Scared the shit out of me, not gonna lie. Oh, looks, it our employer. How you doing, sir? I was just completing this task, you know. Just checking for some cobwebs, ha ha ha. What the fuck was that? Maybe he didn't like when I shoved the broom at his face, LMAO. Oh wait, our shift didn't end yet. This fucking radio again, always yapping for some reason, just like my ex. I should check this room for more spiderwebs. Damn, there's some more webs. Let me get rid of this quickly. Bro, was that a mating call or was that my plug, Spider-Man? Anyways, let's get rid of this while we are at it. And my broom fell for some reason, bruh. Another note from our dear employer. Talking about some apples, bruv. Oh, look, an apple. Who's whispering now, bruv? Oh, a trash can. Let me just throw this in there. Look who it is, my boy, Spider-Man. This time you won't run, right? Oh, he calling me. Let's go, we gonna get high. Not this again. Bro, stop doing this. And the fucking radio is back on again. What is this dude trying to do? Oh, look, a new task. More books, bruh. There we go. Another note, huh? Why this dude trying to riddle me or some? Next time I want a full note, all right? There's our second book. And that's the third. Oh fuck, you scared me. My man, where you keep disappearing at? Where my stash at though? You serious? A goddamn apple? An apple, homie. I'ma just take that, I guess. Oh look, our shift just ended. Another day at the most beautiful library to ever exist. A new task. It's stacking books again, bruh. Oh, there it is. What the fuck, I got teleported. What is this, Rick and Morty? Oh, what's that? Is that our employer? Never mind, it's just some bleeding kiddo. Oh, there's our employer. What was that? Bro kissed me and ran away. Back here again. Looks like we have to stack more books again. What was that? An iPad kid? They screaming like someone took away their vape. Get clapped. You two, bam. Bam. Gotta say, I didn't miss a shot back there. Employer left some note for us, let's see. I think he needs some apples again. Nothing in the room. Oh, there's the next book. Looks like Spider-Man invaded us again. Oh, what's that? A tire? Eyes on the road, There's the last book. Let's put this in. And we got teleported again. Looks like Spider-Man is doing some shenanigans. Oh shit, it's the iPad kid again. Look, I don't have false vapes. Oh fuck. This time I'm gonna clap him kids. Shit, not again. Can't see where he's coming from. Where is this little shitter coming from? All right, full focus. This time I got more of them. They done for now. Bruh, I'm getting tired of this shit. Get clapped. Easy, easy, easy. Now let's check out what Spider-Man is doing. Oh, he gave me an apple again. Bro, stop staring at me, all right? After some lurking around, it's gotta go here, I think. Teleported again. Looks like I gotta find some books. The box is closed, huh? Oh, there's a note. Read now? All right. Let's start reading. Oh shit, we getting some flashbacks. Oh look, the employer's family.
Go to store and get us some apples. I need it to make a pie for your father. He'll be coming back from library very soon.
Spider-Man did him wrong. Shit me IRL right now. Looks like the game is over. A part 2? Say less.